Hello, let me introduce myself. My name Alvaro Maluk Sirait, and I'm from Medan. In this opportunity, I would like to present the design of mixed-use building, Alpha Tower Center. Humans have various necessities, such as living, working, and shopping places. These necessities influence the requirement of space for doing activities. In order to increase the efficiency of those activities, space to accommodate several functions is necessary. Mixed-use building design is the way to combine several functions in one building. The theme of this design is a green architecture. The design needs to consider the room requirement, environment, and building user. The intent of mixed-use design to provide space to fulfill human necessities and comfort. Mixed-use building is designed in vertical building with the units building, human necessities, and green space to help nature the town growth. The shape of design, the shopping center, rental office function, and tower for rental function. Secondary skin is applied to for the facade to the podium to increase the wall surface area. The tower use secondary skin and roof garden as green outdoor space and even the heat radiation. The building is designed with maximum net area in order to develop mixed-use building economic prospect. This building is designed with the Unity infrastructure to support the user necessity which adapt the environment. Site information, Gagak Hitam, Medan City, North Sumatra. Concept design, green architecture is an approach to building that minimizes the harmful effect of construction project on human health, the environment. Green architecture strives to minimize the number of resources consumed in the building construction. Use the operation as well as curtailing the harm done of the environment through the emission, pollution, and waste of its component. Characteristic design, life cycle assessment, seating structure design efficiency, energy efficiency, water efficiency, material efficiency, indoor environmental quality assessment, operation and maintenance optimization. Organization of space and orientation building. Orientation or from building affect the low temperature of air in the room during the day. Generally, the air temperature in the building is lower than the outside temperature, while at the air temperature inside the building is higher than the outside temperature. Roof design. In the architectural design is the humid tropical element with the temperature of the outside air in relatively high. The role of the roof to overcome the problem of sun heat coming in from. The roof cover of the relatively thin material will receive heat from the sun in a short time, channel to heat to space below it and become hot. To ensure that the air temperature in the room is not high, it's necessary to make effort to reduce the solar radiation that falls the roof surface by providing opening and cross ventilation in the roof space. Opening and ventilation. Design should allow for maximum cross airflow in the building so as to optimize cross ventilation in building. It is necessary to consider providing open space around the building. In other words, wherever possible, do not close the entire site with building. Transparent walls and sun shadowing are the wave that can penetrate the transparent wall of building as the well as glass. When the dislike paste through transparent walls and into the room, it will hit the object in the room, such as floors, furniture, and so on. As a result of heat trapped in the room inside the building is resulting in rise in the temperature in the room. Then outdoor spatial planning and greening in green architecture design. Outdoor design of the buildings play to an important for modifying outdoor air temperature, so that the temperature outside the plays an important role by modifying outdoor air temperature, so that the temperature outside the building is not hot. The use of hard material considered asphalt on the surface on the yard, garden, or parking that does not get set needs to be minimized. The surface of the soil covered, covered with hard material and directly exposed to solar radiation will make the air temperature around the building become hot. In this happen, then the space in the building will be difficult to be cool or comfortable. Greening is needed in tropical climate in effort to lower the air temperature of the region. In addition to function as the oxygen processor, trees also act as cleaners of carbon dioxide of sulfur dioxide in the airways, as well as heavy metal oxide in water. On the other hand, the presence of tree directly or will not lower temperature of the surrounding air because the heat radiation of the sun will be absorbed by tau for the process of photosynthesis and evaporation. And that's bring you to the end. Thank you so much.